welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Bibi Somtojuku, and today we are going to be installing this wig. Is a T-frontal kinky straight synthetic hair. I ventilated about last year, no, like expected 3 years ago. Let's install. So the first thing you're going to be doing is to lay back your edges with an edge control or the wax of your choice. I think it is very important that you do it before you even start cleaning your edges, but as you can see, mine was the reverse. So don't do that. You have to push your hair back first before cleaning, and please use a mentholated spirit. The essence of cleaning your edges, or your forehead rather, is that you are getting rid of oil so that the glue can have a grip on the lace. So another thing you're going to do after cleaning and setting your edges back is to mark out your forehead where the lace is going to be. This will give you an accurate placement of where you're going to put the glue, and avoid using excess glue like I did, because at the end of the day, when I started sweating, the places that lace was not started melting and lifting up the lace, right? So to avoid this, you have to mark where it's going to be, and the way to do this is to first put your wig on your head and know where the lace is going to be, then follow there and mark it with an eye pencil. Another unavoidable mistake I made was to keep on going even after the electricity went out. So please have a consistent source of light. If you have the opportunity, you can put your gem, because I started using the dryer and at a point they took light and I transferred to using a manual fan, which is not advisable. But I do see people installing their wig with an electronic fan. I don't know how plausible that is. To which I place my wig on the glue and start pressing it gradually so that they stick. I also think as a beginner it's important that your wig should come plain without any design. It's going to be easier for you to manage. As I said earlier, this wig was installed for me 3 years ago after me ventilating it, and I really thought it would be easy because I didn't want to take down the design. So you're seeing me using a comb to make sure that the lace is flattened, and using a handkerchief as my wig band, which brings me to the next point. Before you even start installing your wig, ensure that you have all the materials ready. I was improvising, and now I can't even tell if it's my methods or it's just a mistake because I was not with my full equipment. In case you didn't know, even after your first laying, you would realize that some parts were not laid, and what you're just going to do is go in with your holding spray, as I did, and spray it, then dry it like you were doing the first time, then lay your wig. That's just how to solve the problem. So important that you let your glue dry down. This is so that your wig, or rather your lace, will have a good grip. And how you can determine that is to tap wherever you've placed your holding spray, and if it's sticky, then you place your lace on top of it. Also note that it should not be dry. Don't allow it to dry down completely, just allow it to be tacky. Then tie your headband so that your lace can melt down. Then you will do the finishing touches, like putting some holding spray on the lace so that everything on the flyaway. And guys, this is the final result. Installation turned out amazing. Well, let's switch it up a little with a makeover. Till I touch $1 million, a million is nowhere near enough. I give it all up. All I need is your trust. To find the life I need. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to be subscribed. Stay subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'll be on cloud 9, don't know how you're breathing. I got so high, oh I can't leave. I want your body